How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1984 K5 Blazer done in midnight blue. It's got 6-inch rough country lift on it. It's all springs, no blocks. It's all done correctly. Super clean truck. I got this truck out of Missouri. All the grill, headlight bezels, the bumpers, all the original. It's all in really good condition. It's real straight down the sides. Got brand new Mickey Thompson wheels. And the bogger tires are brand spanking new. They still got all the nubbies. The lift kit's new as well. So all the tail lights, the tailgate applique, rear bumper, they're all the originals, all in really good condition. This is kind of a rare truck. It's a 350 in it, power steering, the disc brakes, got factory AC. And it's a stick shift manual trans. It's got automatic on the fly 4-wheel drive. It's kind of a cool truck, factory gauge package. A lot of the interior is the original, some of it's been redone, you know, whatever it needed. They've done new carpet in it, I believe, front to rear. Got the factory spare in it. It's a clean truck. Like I say, come out of Missouri. And again, you can see it's a factory stick shift. You just don't see many of them in a stick. All the jams look good. Thing fires right up. Can't hardly reach the hood here. We also have a 4-inch lift that goes with this truck. Springs, the shocks, everything, and a set of 33-inch tires and wheels. There's a couple photos with the other wheels. Backup lights, everything all work on it. It's got the Reese hitch, the brake controller. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Hey, that's a good looking truck there. Have a great day, folks.